Good morning. Hi. Morning, everyone. Yeah, we just started a new week. Oh, morning, Jerry. Morning, Nina. And Terrence. Everyone. So, let's start. Um. Oh, Ollie. Good morning. This week we got NFP. So I'll show you. This is my local time, so you don't need to care about the time. Don't bother it. Um, Friday we got a U.S. bank holiday, which is I think Independence Day in United States. So the stock market will close all day, and futures market will close at 1 p.m. Eastern time. And the original NFP moved to Thursday, so you gotta keep an eye on that. And we just got all-time high, right? I think a few hours ago. Well, to be honest, all-time high is hard to chase. It's so hard to chase all-time high. Okay, I take a look at the vote. For bias for London session, we got 63% bullish, 18% bearish, and another 18% neutral. So everyone is bullish, right? 60% bullish. All right, we'll take a look on. So we are all-time high on both the September contract and the NQ one. And you can obviously see that we got so many breakaway daily gap. So we are just fucking bullish. And I don't want to trade counter trend at this like higher time frame analysis. I mean, like for our normal analysis, usually we want to long at the discount of the range and short at the premium of the range, right? But obviously now we shouldn't use that approach because it's nonsense. It doesn't make any sense if I use that approach right now. So a trading model is a trading model, but you gotta read the market first. I can't just simply apply my model anytime when I see a PD array. Okay, so we got some retracing. 2 minutes long. I think it's too soon to make a decision to take any trade. Honestly, even for long, I don't even know where should I put my TP at. Like where should I put my TP at? Honestly, I don't know right now. Because like usually for us for setting a take profit target as usually above a buy side liquidity, right? Or a higher time frame buy side liquidity. It can be internal or external, but right now we don't have something like that. So right now, if I want to set a target, I will use standard deviation. I think that's the only way to desire target for both long or short. You think now is short? Seriously? Maybe we will have a short setup. I don't know, but I don't want to take it. Even if a short setup appear, I don't want to take it. Do wait for a sweep of liquidity before entering a trade. Um, for my model, I will, but like for this day with all-time high, I think it's not necessary. Hi, Ivan. Bruce hard. Oh, I need Jack and FX for living. Where are they? I need them. Can you share the narrative bias for GU and EU? Nope. Nope. I don't trade force anymore. I exclusively trade NQ right now. I don't want to waste too much time on studying, researching other asset. That was what I did back when I'm trading force and CFD. Now I don't do that anymore. And I don't think I will just miss some opportunity because I don't look at force. It's actually the opposite. That's what I found out. That's why I focus on one asset. Yes, new high for NQ, but not for yes. Yes, still a long way to go from on-time high. Wow, it's too. I don't even know where is that. I didn't even get here. I think I didn't get it here. Okay, so it's here. So long way to go. All right. Right now, usually with this Asia range, I will try to short it because Asia high was swept. So for my model, in this scenario, I will try to find a short setup to short to at least the opening midnight opening price and then to some sell side liquidity. And also this one because we got a 1 hour BC here, so I assume price won't, even if it retrace, probably won't like pass through the whole 1 hour BC. But right now for all-time high market condition, I'm not looking for any short position. Yeah, honestly, today I think I should trade yes. Don't you think that? You see, we only got yes for like bicycle T and let me take a look. Oh, what? But I think I haven't traded yes for a few months. I think half year. Let me take a look. All right. Do you stream here daily? Nope, nope. It's too tired to stream daily. I don't want to do that. So this will be the daily bicyclicity for ES. So if we launch to ES and on ES, this will be our target. Bro, it's keep going up. It's so hard to find an entry point right now, even for both ES and NQ. This is shit. I think I'll just take reading for now. Just I mean, the bias is definitely bullish, but can we find a decent risk reward ratio entry point is the key. I mean, I can't just randomly long at any point because I think it's bullish. So we're now just waiting. How's your weekend? What did you do on your weekend? I mean, price got nothing for me to talk about right now. Yeah, Wednesday I will stream inside the lab. This week we will still use the NFP protocol, which is I'm not gonna take any trades after Wednesday New York AM session because it's NFP protocol, and we can resume trading after NFP release. So it's gonna be 8:30 at Thursday. Meditate. Oh, it may be my last weekend for summer. Why? Isn't it June? Just June? Where is your son? I don't have a son, guys. I know everyone calling me mother, but I don't have a son. Oh, play basketball. Great. I love watching guys play basketball. Usually they are handsome when they're playing basketball. What country are you from? Hong Kong. You're going to work 7 days a week? Seriously? Why don't you just trade? I mean, you can work a full-time job while trading, but work 7 days a week? Your alarm was down 90 just now. Keep going up. I can't get any entry point right now, honestly. I can just this is the only thing I can do. Watch the price go up. I mean, we all know it's gonna go up, but I mean it's a live stream, so I want to demonstrate a proper trading habit by not entering random trades. Also, for the YouTube members, if you join the YouTube members and want to claim the badge in Discord, you can connect your YouTube account in Discord, so you will automatically get the badge. A YouTube member badge. Which one is better, Disney Hong Kong or Shanghai? You seriously? Seriously asking? You know I only get one answer for that, right? One full pot won't hurt. I think it's gonna be a good eval trade. I mean, like in evaluation, you don't care about stop loss anything, right? You just trade aggressively. So it's gonna be a great situation for any evaluation trade, but not gonna trade that on personal capital without stop loss. Where would you draw standard deviation projections? I'm gonna use the lab model if I want to draw standard deviation with 4-hour candle and also a retracement. Oh, chat, I don't. This this is shit. I don't think I can get any trade right now. I mean, it's keep going up. And like this is the London session. This is 2 a.m. right? We start here, and obviously I'm not gonna long here because like it's just not good. This is not a good entry point for me. If I really have to long, I'm gonna long here. This is gonna be a good entry point for long, but here is like a bit too late for me. But of course, it's just my model, so. The answer is not go to Disney. Yeah, Tokyo Disney. Oh, never been to there. I want to go there. I heard there's a C, Disney C, right? It is creating FOMO and price selling reverse trapping money. Yes, yes, exactly. I don't like to long in the middle of the range or like a lot higher than the low, than the bottom. But Jerry, why do you have to work 7 days? Then how are you gonna trade? So you have to trade after work? That's crazy. You'll be too tired to trade or like take reading. What risk reward ratio are you using? At least 1 to 2. Why tipsy trader like to drink? Yes, of course, of course. I'm actually drinking right now. Not drunk, okay, not drunk, just tipsy, just tipsy. Drunk is like too over. We don't do anything when we're drunk, okay? Not driving, not trading, not anything, not live streaming. Just a bit, just a little bit, all right? Don't do that too much. What's your favorite drink? Favorite drink. Let me think about my favorite drink. The flaming Lamborghini. Do you know which one? The one with fire. The cocktail with fire. The flaming Lamborghini. This one. I think I drank it once. You gotta try this for real. It's awesome. You used to make them all the. Oh yeah, Jerry is the bartender. I almost forgot. Vodka, whiskey, vodka. What about something you drink all the time? Just beer, just beer. Amber Ale. I like Amber Ale for beer. Well, I would love to talk about price, but like honestly, we don't have anything to talk about right now. Really? So they got a new name? Oh my god. Am I too old for that? Tomorrow? Why is it called tomorrow? So that's an old name? Oh my god. I want to be Gen Z. It seems like I didn't sound like one now. See you tomorrow, right? It's true though. After you drink it, see you tomorrow. Here is a MSS plus FVG. I mean, honestly, like, since we're bullish, I mean, I am bullish. If you don't really care about risk reward ratio and you don't afraid of the retracement, you can long anytime. For real. Well, it's just gonna keep going up. But for me, I need a risk reward ratio that I think is worth it to take a trade. With the fire on how to drink it, use the tube. What is it called? Yeah, straw. Thank you, Jerry. Sorry, I'm sorry for my bad English. Are you the only channel that stream during London? No, I think there's other traders also stream London, but just they are not ICT traders. So if you're using a very different trading idea, trading concept, it's gonna mess up with your mind. But it's so boring. We gotta see other asset. I'm not gonna check other asset, but I want to take a look at least. All right, this is shit. GBP shit. So consolidating. Maybe we should check go. You know, the price action in Go seems quite good. Yeah, right now is only GC is good for what is so here. One of the reason right now is it's hard to determine the buy side liquidity point. So Did you enter long base of F3G for your Friday NYM trade? I didn't take any trade on Friday. Did I? I even remember that. I don't think so. I thought I was busy on Friday. Yeah, I'm watching Squid Game. I got a conference call, and then I watched Squid Game 3. Sorry. I mean it's out loud. If I don't watch it right away, I will get spoiled. It's not good for season 3. And I want to talk about that. This one, this guy, which I think I quoted it, posted on my Twitter too. This is the one who made 100K a day in Top Slab. We got someone, the first one who made 100K a day in Top Slab is this guy. So I just want to push it, give him a follow. It's a great trader. Yeah, he's a Hong Kong trader too. And since I hate Top Step, so I want to talk about it. Yesterday, someone in my Discord keep kissing Top Step's ass, and I kicked them out. I'm fucking ban them. Are there more respectable Asian traders that I should follow? I think there's someone, but he's not active on Twitter anymore. I'll take a look. I'll let you know. Yes, take profit trader is better than Top Step for sure. And right now they got 30% off and no activation free for the current promotion. The main point is they got daily payout. I like it because when I make money, make profit today, I can just take it out tomorrow. This can prevent me for losing those profit again because I already take it out, and I can trade normally without losing any of my previous profit. This is huge. I mean, you're literally paying yourself every day without payout cap. But their customer support sucks. Their customer support real slow. So, and that's pros and cons, right? And you just gotta accept it. Are you no longer a part of the lab? No, I'm still there. Why are you asking like that? Because I didn't put the logo here, because I tried to put the logo here, but it's kind of like blocking blocking the thing, blocking the whole wheel. So I didn't put it here anymore. And I mean, it's like for the first 2 weeks, some people may not know about the app, the lab. What is the lab? So I need to put it here and talk about that. But I don't think I have to talk about that like every stream, because like we got so many the lab members here on the stream. So you banned him because he had a different opinion than you. Not, no, no. We got free speech here. I banned him because he keep asking crazy questions. Like, for example, first, I'm not obligated to answer his question. I'm not obligated to provide any information or my own experience to him, to anyone, right? I mean, you didn't pay me for anything, right? I do it just for goodwill. I do it like voluntarily, and they take it for granted. The attitude, I would say, the attitude is the thing. If you're not polite, if your attitude is bad, whatever you're talking about, I don't like that. Whatever, even if you have the same opinion with me, but you have a bad attitude, I'm gonna ban you too. This is important, right? Any other platform for with daily payouts? I think there's some new platforms got this feature too, but I need to observe it first. Don't want to try if it's like too new. I would like to try those with like at least operated for a few months. If you make 10K a day, they will top you from cheating. If there's no if, I'm making 10K a day, guys. Guys, I am making 10K a day. All right. You need a buffer to take daily payout. Yes, yes. For example, for 50K is like 2,000. So anything above 2,000, you can take it out. So right now, price we're chasing. Take a look. We'll see how price will add with this order block. Oh yeah, I'm not on their website. I'm not on their website. Because we are actually making a new website. So there's no need to like update the old one. There will be a whole new website coming up. I don't know when, but it's working on progress. So he was peeing and poke guides. Yes, exactly. Does Nathan trade ICT to I don't think so. I think he trade with just price session. How's day traders any good with rules? I posted the rules in Discord with like point form, and also I just summarize it for everyone, so you can take a look with both the Charling accounts and S2F. if you're familiar with Wolfram, it's just a common rules. There's not something special for that. The rules it's like just pretty much the same with other programs. TPT has challenge Jordan after we pass the test, yes, but the challenge Jordan will lock. It will lock in when you pass the payout threshold. This order block I'm mentioning, I want to see how price react. This is a large order block, and this one's smaller. So we'll see if price wanna go back here. I don't want to short because I don't want to check counter trend. Here right now it's like 15 pounds. Not good. I hope price we chase to midnight opening price first, and we'll see if we got any other chance to long again. If not, if it keep like going down, I don't want to short too. At that case, I'm just looking for long for this high time frame analysis. Thank you, Hamgata. Is same night APAS? No. APAS so complicated. I got a session for APAS too, and when I summarize the rules for APAS, it's just so a lot more complicated than others. But like in APAS are the only one got Chinese accounts. You can scale with Chinese accounts, right? So there's pros and cons with that. To scale with Chinese accounts, you gotta accept with those complicated rules. And if you don't want to, read all those rules, you just use others with only 5 accounts. And for me, since I want them all, so I study the rules with every platform. I'm not like telling ChatGPT to summarize with me because I try it and it's not going good because there's some key points the AI will miss because ChatGPT is not the trader, right? We are the one who know which point is important, which ChatGPT isn't know. When ChatGPT summarized the points, the rules for me, they miss so many important things. For example, like the 50% contract scaling rules, the 30% negative P&L rules. These two are so important, and ChatGPT can't do that. So you really need to read the rules on your own. I did summarize it for you, but I still suggest you to like read the whole thing. Sharing will go away on TPT, yes. Go to the session, go to here, I'll show you again. Here. So here I got APAS, Daytraders, Tradify, and TPT. And with all Cantonese and English version, you can see, for example, for Pro, I talk about the intraday challenge Jordan, how it works, what's the loss limit, when is it gonna lock in. Also, we got like Cantonese version for that. You can take a look. I mean, I do it myself. I'm not like copying from somewhere or what. I need to summarize by myself. It's boring today. I mean, we're just waiting. Just waiting for whole session. But at least I make a good call for taking a long position here, right? When I said like price keep going up, but I don't want to don't worry at that point because price can be chased anytime, and if I don't get a decent stop loss for that, then everything is just meaningless. Right now we're inside the 5-minute order block, and we'll see how price react. Do we have SNT? It's not much actually. It's like 10 points, 20 points. Even if I long here, it's like just 20 points. So the best case scenario is like price with this low, reach the MNO, and see if we've got any setup after that. Which level are you looking for to take longs here? You're right. It's actually possible for price to retrace back to 1 hour BC first. You're right. But if price like retrace to here is like kind of a large move for that. And at that time, don't I'm not so sure if I should really go long anymore, because if we get such a large move for bearish, I think I will decide that at that moment. Depends on the speed and if we get any displacement. Right now, I'm just keep watching it. Stan, appreciate it. Are you Asian too? Hong Kong girl. Oh, okay. This looks like a good entry for on. I think I'll wait a little bit first. One of the reasons is if you long here, it's like 20 points to the buy side equity, which is not enough for me. I want more. Because like my risk reward ratio is at least 1 to 2, right? So for 12 points stop loss is I need 24 points for TP, which it is the least I want, and usually I trade for more. You saw some of my trade are 8 out, right? It's real. I did aim for high RR trade, and if it's like less than 1 to 2, I just don't want to take that trade. You're in non. Well, congratulations. I mean, I have my own concerns about the trade because like I'm trading my funded account, and those funded account are real money because we can take the money out, right? So I'm literally trading my own money. So I get to think about for myself, for my approach. Is it something I can accept? Like for example, 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5. If it's not something I want, then I don't do it. But I know for some traders, they just trade 1 to 1.5. For example, like JCap, as I know, he doesn't aim for high RR. He used like 1 to 1 or even 1 to 1.5, but with large stop loss. So they don't use like 12 pound like me. So they can aim for large stop loss and large risk reward ratio. Oh no, large profit with low RR. And maybe I'm gonna miss the move. It's possible. I mean, I've done that before, right? On the stream, I missed the move because I was hesitating, or I didn't get the most ideal entry point because of hesitating. It's gonna happen. Does Take Profit Trader have a trading wheel trade Scorpio function similar to Top Step X? You can use the group settings with TraderVay. I personally use Replicanto, but for those who are using MacBook, you may need to just use the group trade functions inside TraderVay. So boring here. You've heard from people that Apex asks people to show their strategy. Why they do this? Because they want to know if you're cheating or if you're trading. And I received that email from for last year, 2024 June. I submit my strategy, which is just ICT trading model. It's not like a secret or something. And I wrote 2 pages on Word, submit it with also some screenshot of my trades, and then pass it. Everything's resumed to normal. If you're a trader, you'll be fine. If you're not cheating, because I know some people, for example, they use their relatives to open another account for them, so they can trade more than one, then trade 2 or 3 more, because they got families and friends open account from them. Those people are gonna get banned if Apex find out. But they're not talk about that, right? They will not talk about that, about they breaking the rules. They just tell you they got banned. Well, but the real reason for that, they will never tell you. Because they are the ones who are cheating. Is it time for some split screen anime? I don't know, we got copyright problem here, so I don't think I can pay any other thing for that. Not even music, right? Do you like shorts? No, I'm not. I'm not looking for short. So right now we got a small SMT here with ES. I'm gonna see if price would be slow too. Do they reply? Of course they reply. I can easily show you that, alright? That email. First, I didn't see. I didn't disclose any personal information here. Yeah. Okay. I think I just cap screen. So this was the email I received on last year. It's like July. Oh, sorry, it's July, not June. So sorry. Like you can see that, like 2024, July 1st. About they want to review my account. Okay. And I submitted. I will show you. Okay. I want to block my email address. Okay. And then on the other day, it's like change for July 2nd. I submit the whole fucking email. It's just part of the email, okay? Not all of it. About the trading strategy, how I put my stop loss, and how I set my TP, everything. And also some attachment for the screenshot. So you just have to like tell them exactly what you did with your account. And also these are the attachment I sent. I some screenshot. And also how much I made with that trade, what time is it, right? Everything, just details. And if you got nothing to do with like cheating or any windfall trade, you'll be fine. Don't tell me because it's you're affiliate or something. Last year I'm not affiliate. Okay, it's 2024. It's not like now. It's 2024 and nothing at that time. Okay, price come back to midnight opening price, and so sweep this low. Oh my god, Ollie, this indicator is so important. Thanks for that. The midnight opening price level is so important. How did you get that attachment? What do you mean? It's my trade. I enter. I mean, like, I export the trade record from TraderVate and then input it into Tradezilla, the trading journal platform, so I can see, I can get all the data I want. Okay, price with this low too. And we will see if it retraces to the 1 hour. 1 hour average. Alright, right now it's good. Oh. If it's with these two, we're gonna see if it. I'm watching how price move with these PDRAs. So you can see price with this low and pass through the all the whole 1 minute BC, retrace back to the 1 minute CB. We're gonna see if it keep going down because we still got some liquidity here and also a 1 hour average. If it's straight to the Asia low, I'm not gonna take any short position. I just not looking for counter trend trade. Is it a good time to own? Not yet. I mean, you can have different opinion with me. We got free speech here. You can use it's maybe you think it's fucking bearish. You should take a shot right now. That's totally fine. I mean, I can be wrong. I mean, I did one sometimes, right? You guys saw me taking losing trades on stream. It's all real. So that's what my trade idea, and that's what I think at the moment. But didn't mean that I'm right. I'm correct. I can be wrong. So right now I'll see how price react with this CB, because we still get a sell side liquidity here. So if the candle body didn't close above it, then probably gonna retrace and clear this liquidity first. But honestly, we got consecutive CB here, so probably not ideal to use the first one to enter for long, even if the candle body closes above it. Still observing right now. Chat, don't forget to hit the like button. It's been an hour. We only get 40 likes. What? I've been talking for an hour. Cause actually the 3 a.m. move is quite a large move for London session rise. So wanna be cautious. I would rather miss a trade than taking a losing trade, right? Preserve capital is the first priority. Is the number one rule for trading. We're bored with this PA. Me too. I'm just so bored. do you have any other thing to discuss other than price? So price we chase. Okay, keep an eye on that. Is 3 a.m. Eastern time for London open? Yes. The official London market open is like 3 a.m. Eastern time, but for the London Q zone for US indices is 2 a.m. Eastern time. And we usually get move at 2 a.m. and also 2:30. That's why I start trading London at like 2 a.m. Eastern time. Like for example here, right, you can see it. The 2 a.m. move is this one. This is 2 a.m. And then we gotta move up and 2:30 is here. Then we got a move down. So 2 a.m. we gotta move, 2:30 we gotta move, and also 3 a.m., also 3:30, and also 4 a.m. Do you think about including other instrument like GC, CL? No, not at the moment. I trade them before back in like 2023 and 2022. I trade forwards with like all pairs, literally all pairs. Not even the main pairs. I trade AJ, AUD, JPY, and I trade actually some weird asset. This is trade everything. Yeah, but it's my decision to not look for stop position, right? So I'm gonna accept the result that I missed the short move because I don't want counter trend trading for today, especially after all-time high. And whatever decision we make, we gotta accept the result. Sometimes because of the result didn't appear like what we want, and we get emotional for that, then we will become over trading, want to revenge trading, want to chase the price, everything. Sometimes we just have days like that. We can have everything we want. But for me, for example, I want to get in the move with 2 a.m. Also get in the move with 2:30, but I didn't. Then I have to wait for another setup. I can just like entry with random trades. Do you think trading one instrument is better than looking? Yeah. That's what ICT mentioned before that. That you want to be a expertise with a certain asset rather than like looking around with all those instruments. Because I've done that. I thought for example, if I don't have trading opportunities on NQ, I just have to look at Euro USD or oil. Then we all go. Then I can have other trading opportunities, right? Or maybe for inside those four assets, two of them got a good trading opportunity, so I can trade two of them at the same time. Then I can make more. That's what I thought about at that time. And turns out it's not like that for me. I believe some other traders still doing that, and they're doing good with that approach. But for me, trading only one asset is better. My trading performance is better when I trade only one asset. And this is with backtesting and forward testing. This is the result I got. So I'm gonna keep doing that. And you can try that too for yourself. You can get some experiments to see what your trading performance is when you're trading multiple assets and when you're trading only one. Would you make educational video for viewers to watch? Yes, I will in the future. I don't know how to edit the videos. Can someone teach me? I just don't know how to do that. I don't even know what software to use. Do we use CapCut or what? It's so time consuming. But I have the will to do that. We just need some time. Okay, finally we sweep this liquidity and dip inside a 1 hour FVG. Any chase yet? No chase yet. Maybe I'm gonna miss all the moves today. Who knows? That's gonna be suck. But it is what it is. Of course I want to chase, okay? I mean I got everything ready. You need to you can see it here. I got my Ninja Trader, my Trader V, my copy already. Everything. So I do want to take a trade, but if there's not something like decent for me, then I'll just wait. I gotta see, watch how price react with this 1 minute BC to decide. So I get in. It's around 10.5 pawn stop loss. So we'll see. The reason I set it here because we got a 5 minutes order block here, so I've price maybe can pass through the 5-minute order blocks. So I set it there. It's around how many points is that? If it go to my TP, it's gonna be 25.75. And I think this one is actually better, but it's less than 24 points. And we'll see. If I miss it because of 1 to 2 points, then I gotta accept it. Why no camera? I want to turn on the camera when I'm trading. Okay, I'm gonna adjust my stop loss a bit. Just a little bit. So right now it's 7.5 pawn stop loss. Because I move it under the 1 minute order block. I mean, at least after I enter, price did go to the way I want, right? It isn't like when I enter, price go to the opposite direction, then that's gonna be suck. And that's gonna be time like that. Okay, I've done that before, so that's gonna be suck. But I'm glad we're not like that for today. Okay, price retracing back to the 1 minute BC. You want me to set the profit at the top? Well, I can do that, but I think this is price retracing. You're probably gonna hit my stop loss right now. Who knows? Because you don't have to capture the whole move. You only have to capture 50% of the move, and you can still make a lot of money. Oh, this is a fucking breaker. I fucking hate breaker. I think most of you know that. I fucking hate breaker. This one, right? Fucking hate that. So if price hit my stop loss, gonna be around $400, right? This is calculated risk, so I'm fine with that. Yes, we got a 1 minute CB2, so it's not because we got a breaker only, we got so many PD areas can be aligned with that price. There's gonna be risk with all those 1 minute CB here because not everyone's gonna turn to IFBG. So that's the risk that I accept, and that's my decision to choose to enter with a 15 seconds IFBG instead of a 1 minute or the second one. So whatever happened, we just accept it. We know it. We don't have to be emotional or want to revenge trade, we just simply wait for another setup. I'm actually glad that I can finally demonstrate something as a trader that we get to face every day is like losses. How do we deal with losses? How do we deal with losing trades? How to handle with the emotion when we have this kind of condition? Because it's important. This is the time when you easily get blowing up all your accounts because of like price going to the other way, or I missed, or you didn't take partial, that your profit becomes zero again. And this is the essential moment to decide if you're gonna be a consistently profitable trader. If you get emotional right now, your next trade can be a winning trade again, but because you get emotional, you get over trading, you lose everything. This is like the key moment, and every trader gonna face this moment. What is emotion? So this 1 minute BC is still keeping here, keeping price up, and we'll see if price will chase again. Okay, take a look on ES. We got a small SMT with ES. Do you limit yourself to 2 trades a day? I limit myself to 2 losses in London session because I trade different accounts in New York session. So it's kind of like a whole new thing for those accounts. No, I don't like that. I don't like that, Jimmy. I don't like him. We win, we drink it. We lose, also drink it. No, if I lose this, I will just look for another trade because for myself, I can accept 2 losses in one London session. CB stands for sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, which is a bearish FUG. Where you can like hear it from my voice that price like come back and very close to my stop loss. I'm not like scared or afraid. I'm just keeping calm because it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen like today or tomorrow. Just it's definitely gonna happen for every trader. Even for those high win rate trader, they're not like 100% win rate, right? So they will have losing trade. And how are you gonna deal with it is like it's the most determined thing. Are those red and green bosses? Do you have green bosses here? Where? But usually if I lose, I'll drink more. I'll drink more than I win. So if I take a loss, I will lose $300 for this trade. So it's totally worth it for trading 2 contracts and only 300 for the risk. The reason that I didn't move my stop loss to break even is because we got a 1 minute BC here and also a order block, bullish order block here, right? So I think it can be like a supportive for price. So that's why I decided to let the stop loss under the order block. That's how I decide the stop loss. We must learn to take a L. It's no different than W. Yes, it is. And I've done that before. I think I took some losses on stream or inside both the lab and also YouTube. So it's not like something new for me. I actually love taking losing trades because as I said before, it's like a premium charge for a VIP seat. So we will have more information for the price for the next price move. And it's just worth it for $300. And also for someone asked me why I put my TP here instead of the top because I'm not looking for like a large move for London session. And also I'm that kind of guy that I can accept leaving profit on the table. Because like many traders can accept that they want to capture the whole move, which I don't have to. I can capture only 50% or 75% of the move, and I'm glad because I'm just making money with that. And of course, you can leave a runner. I know some people will just take partial for 50% of the range and then leave a runner to the top. Then that's their trading approach, right? If it's your trading approach, you can do that. It's just not mine. I'm not a guy. Sorry. I didn't say a guy. Yeah, I know some audience think I'm like a 60-year-old grandpa with long beard, right? I'm not a guy. I'm not a guy. Did I say I'm a guy? Oh my god. Do you use Ninja Trader? I enter my order on TraderVay, and I use Replicanto on Ninja Trader to copy trade. And also, since I'm live streaming, so I need to use the Ninja Trader to show you the trade. What's your MC model? Turtle soup model. Price moving so slow right now. Patience. We need patience. It's $300. It's only $300. And one of the reasons I don't like leaving warners is because I don't like taking parcels. So if I don't take parcels, I gotta close it all at once. So yeah. Wow, it's almost 3:40. But I do want to move my TP. I do want to move it. Should I? You guys just move TP after 100 likes. That's a good idea. Okay. If we get 100 likes, I'm gonna move my TP to the top. I'm gonna move my TP to the top. If Georgie was in the chat, he probably would. No, he wouldn't. No, I mean, I've been watching his live stream for a whole year, so I know he don't take chase with large move. He don't. I just know that. I watch it almost every day. Watch his live stream. Of course, I know it. And I'm not moving the stop loss anymore because I think $300 is like acceptable for this trade, and like we didn't even sweep this high. So right now if I move the stop loss, it's kind of like a meaningless move. But actually, I think like people like watching the live streamer lose than watching them win, isn't it? Because 睇人仆街最開心。Because like, isn't everyone want to see how people lose? Only shit people. Do we have 100 likes? If we got 100 likes, I'm gonna move the stop loss to the top. We are 83 likes right now. For real, I'm gonna move it. Even if price like didn't hit the final TP, I'm okay with that. Because it's a vote, right? It's 91 like right now. Still got the 5 more, 6 more. Okay, it's 97. We gotta reach there before price hit this one. If not, then it's not. Before price hit my TP or stop loss. All right, we reach it. Hey Jerry, this is a very good very good suggestion. It's good. I'm gonna move it. I really move that. It's crazy. Oh, can we see it here? It's here. Do you make more money from lights than shading? I don't really care about one shade. I'm just being honest with you. I mean, it's fun. At least it's fun, right? And I actually host a live stream for fun. The reason for me to like live streaming is I want some company when I'm trading London session. It's so boring, price moves so slow, and not many ICT traders trading London session. So if we got something fun to do, we can do it together. But we are creating self security here. Shit. This kind of shit, This is this channel, do you see that? We're creating self security here. Oh, that's not good. Let me take a look on ES. So right now I'm not gonna move my stop loss to break even first because the most ideal situation will be price, we chase and clear this and this sell security and keep going up. If not, then we created like a channel sell security here. Then price can retrace anytime soon. Once again, price can be retraced here because we got a 5-minute bearish order block here. You guys see that? So, and also 3 minutes. So if price at the end of the day didn't hit my final TP and go back to hit my break even or any other thing, then it's the case. We decide together. We decide to move the TP at the top together. So I'm gonna accept it. What can we sell? I'm gonna accept it. But I just have to say that if you're in this trade, keep an eye on this because I just think it's reasonable for price to retrace here with the order block, bearish order block. Don't listen to a guy can't spell. Sure. So funny. It makes sense for Asian to trade London session. What the hell is that? Of course, I'm not risking much. I'm just risking like $300. Shit, we're creating more and more sales arcade here. I don't like that. I really don't like that. Chad, I really don't like that. We need some retrace. We need a wick. If we get a wick down here and then go back again, that's gonna be perfect. That's the perfect price session. I need a wick right now. A quick wick. Uh okay, so price with this. So I'm gonna adjust my stop loss a little bit, not to break even, just a little bit to, oh my god, the low. So right now is 5 pawn, around 6 pawn stop loss, 5 to 6 pawn stop loss. You know, this channel I agree isn't good, huh? Take a look on yes. Okay, yes, still going up. So keep an eye on that. The reason I didn't move stop loss to break even is I actually want price to sweep this sell side to move up, but just let me think about that. If price sweep this buy side critique, I will move my stop loss to break even. Because we are currently inside a 5-minute bearish order block. Alright. Oh, we touch that. Yeah, of course, if you're in this trade, I suggest you to move stop loss to break even and also take partial. Because preserve capital is the first rule of trading. Come on. Alright, I think just one more candle. One more candle and I will decide. I actually want to close the trade at 4 at least because price after 4 will have like weird move. I put it to break even right now. Well, it didn't go to the TP I wanted, even for the initial TP. You going to bed? What the fuck? We're in the middle of the trade. I'm just kidding, Jerry. Good night. I'm just kidding. Good night. Do you trade on the session every day? Yeah, almost every day. I mean, it's a risk-free trade right now, so I don't even care. I'm not even risking $300. I'm risking nothing right now. I can't believe I hold this trade for that long. Crazy. I think half hour. Do we? Is almost half hour. We need a Trump tweet. Yeah. Is Trump gonna say anything? But I think he's sleeping. Or maybe China said something. Long-term investor. No, I work close to trade. I'm a scalper. Why am I holding a trade for half hour? This is crazy. I'm tired now. uh, Patience. We need patience. Let me take a look on yes. Yes, going down. So, as highly likely, NQ is going to do the same too. Is it really going to be like what I expect, that NQ sweep this low and go back again? It's going to be like that. Okay, we gotta move. We gotta move. New 1 hour candle. Let me take a look. Okay. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Okay, this is the 1 hour candle. Not bad, I'll say. What if this trade lasts until 5 a.m. Eastern time? Are you guys gonna be here with me until 5 if this trade like take that long? For real? Why not? Because like, for example, if you're like from the States, it's gonna be like 5 a.m. for you. No one is going to sleep. Jerry, just go to sleep. Jerry just had to sleep. But Jerry's gonna host a tape reading session in Discord tomorrow at 2 a.m. Eastern time. So if anyone interested, yeah, come take a look. It's lunchtime for you. Chat, I didn't. I don't even have a breakfast yet. I was thinking like having breakfast after the stream, but like it's already 4 p.m. for me. Starving. Yeah, it won't be a losing chase since I put my stop loss to break even. So it's just either a break even trade or so boring. 2 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow. Jerry will tape reading. What is tape reading session? That means we're not. He's not trading. He just tape read. It's not like live trading. Just tape reading. No, I'm not streaming tomorrow. I'm not available on Tuesday. Oh, so boring. Come on. If you want to hit if you want to hit my break even, just hit it. Okay. So it's around 5 pound to my stop loss. I mean, I literally got nothing to lose right now, and I don't need this 380 bucks. So I'm not taking partial here. 380 bucks can do anything in Hong Kong. Like literally, it's literally I can't even. It's not gonna pay my bills or mortgage or rent or any grocery stores. So I'm not taking parcel. I'm not closing trade. But if for any of you, if there's like kind of a large profit for you, then just close the trade. It's like we're living in different living standard, right? The living costs are different. If this like 300 or 380 bucks means a lot to you, you need to close the trade. It's gonna based on your own situation. For example, if you are in like huge financial burden, every profit, every dollar is important to you. If you're in debt, right, then every dollar is important to you. So don't like just because other don't close the trade, don't take partial, and you act like that. It's 4 a.m. Eastern time right now. We gotta move, and we'll see if price gonna hit my break even or keep going up. Okay, seems like it's gonna hit my break even. It's around I think 3.5 points to my break even. How much you need in Hong Kong for a decent dinner? A lot. A lot. A decent dinner, it depends on what you mean by decent. Okay, so three points. It's like 3 points to my break even. We will see. But personally, I want to close the trade because it's 4 a.m. It's already 4. How long do I have to hold this tray? No, it's not part of China. Yes, because it's like 4 a.m. We gotta move at 4 a.m. and we will see if this move up or down. But price, please move faster, seriously. I really don't want to wait until 5. No matter if win or lose. Just give me the result, please. Okay! We close the J! We close the J! Finally! So in this trade, I made $23 for this break even. And that's as what I expected. Price gonna kill this sell side routine. I'm not gonna enter another trade anymore. Price maybe gonna go back, but I don't want to enter another trade. You can if you want to, because I think it's still possible. After clearing this sell side liquidity, I think it's possible for price to keep going up, but I'm not entering. I'm done with that. It's 4 a.m. I don't want to wait longer for that. So, if any one of you want to take this long, just take it. But I'm leaving. Okay, I'm leaving. Thank you guys. Thank you chat for today's price session. It's so boring, so I'm glad that I have all of you together for this session. And I will streaming on Wednesday inside the lab. So I'll see you all on Wednesday. Really appreciate all of you for interacting with me here. See you next time.